Good afternoon, dear viewers. Today I am going to solve a problem. The problem is find the unit digit of the sum of the series, that is the sum of the series is also an integer. We have to find out the unit digit of this integer. Let us start the solution. We have wrote down the sum of the series which is 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial plus 6 factorial up to 99 factorial. It is easy, it will be easy for us to calculate the unit digit of the sum of the series if we divide this sum into two parts. One part, the value of one part is without 0 unit digit and other part is with 0 unit digit. We divide this sum into two parts in such a way that the unit digit of value of one part is non-zero and value of the other part, the unit digit of the value of the other part is 0. We divide this series into two parts, one part having unit digit as 0 and other part having unit digit as non-zero, that is not 0. Unit digit is not 0 in one part and other part unit digit is 0. We divide this series into two parts in such a way that our purpose is served. Now, we divide this series into two parts. One part is 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 4 factorial and other part is 5, 6 factorial ... plus 99 factorial. Now, you can easily see that the sum of this series, that is 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 4 factorial is 1 plus 2 plus 6 plus 24, that is 33, and other part, if we expand the factorial in the other parts, that is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 ... 99 into 98 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This dot is also multiplication. These dots are multiplication. This. Now, second part is also a series, and each of the term has 10 divisor, 10 as divisor, that is common factor of this term is 10. This 10 we can get common factor in each of the term as 10, that is 10 is the common factor of the other member of other parts of the sum, that is 10 into 5 into 10 into 4 into 3 into 1, 6 into 3, 4 into 3 into 1 plus ... 99, 98 ... 6 into 4 into 3 into 1. Here in the second sum, each of the term has factor 10. that is 10 is the common factor of these terms in the second part of the series, that is 33 plus 10 into this, and 10 into this is also an integer whose unit digit is 0. So, we can get unit digit. So, unit digit, so the unit digit, so the unit digit of this, of the sum of the series, of the sum of the series that is 1 factorial, 2 factorial plus 3 factorial dot plus 99 factorial is in the first part is an integer. First part of the sum is an integer whose unit digit is 3. We can easily see the unit digit is 3 in the first part of the sum, that is 3, unit digit is 3, and second part, in the second part unit digit is also 0, because 10 into integer, that is this sum is also an integer, 10 into an integer, product of 10 and an integer is an integer, is also an integer whose unit digit is 0, because 10 is the factor of this number, 10 is the factor of this number, that is the sum of the second series, second division, second part of the series. Sum of the second part of the series has 10 as a factor. So, its unit digit is also 0. So, the unit digit in the second part of the sum is 0, that is 3. So, ultimately we get the unit digit of the sum of the series as 3. Thanks so much for watching my video. I shall meet you with such interesting problem next day.